Here is how to make money online by reviewing websites on Google. The first thing you need to do is to open a new tab and search Google Trend. Once you search Google Trend, you just need to allow it to load. After loading, you can see, click on this first one, which is Google Trend. Once you click on it, you just need to allow it to load. After loading, this is the first thing you need to do right now is to click on this particular section if you are making use of your phone. But if you are not making use of your phone, it will show your country. Click on it. Once you click on it, you just need to allow it to load. All I just need to do right now, for the purpose of this particular video, I will be using United States. Let me select United States as the country which we are going to be targeting in this particular video. Okay, I just need to go on right now and click on this particular section right now. Once I click on this particular section right now, I'll click on this trending now. Once I click on this trending now, all I just need to do right now, you can see I already selected my location, which is United States, which is showing right here. I just need to scroll down right here and choose. Okay, if I want the keyword that are trending in the past 48 hours, I just need to choose 48 hours. But if I want keyword that is trending in the last 7 days, I will just choose. But for the purpose of this video, I will be choosing past 24 hours, which means I need keyword that are actually trending for the past 24 hours. I just want to scroll more right now and click on this by relevance. You can see by this relevance. Once I click on this by relevance, I will click on search volume. Once I click on search volume, all I just do right now is to make sure that what we are going to be, the keyword we are going to be seeing are the popular keyword that are actually relevant to based on what we are going to be searching for right now. All you just need to do right now is to scroll down right there. If there is no website or keyword that is related to website which you want to actually review in your video, all you just need to do is to scroll up right there and click on this particular section. Once you click on this particular section, click on this explore. Once you click on this explore, now you are going to be typing the name of the website which you actually want to review right here. If there is no keyword related to search, okay, let me say you want to review Amazon website. Okay, once you search for Amazon, okay, once you search for Amazon right now, we want to know maybe if people are actually searching for Amazon website in United States. You can see that people are actually searching for Amazon website in United States, which you can see right. If you scroll down right here, you'll be able to see the region. You can see Washington and other states in United States are actually searching for this particular keyword, and you can see the related keyword also on this particular Amazon marketplace site and others. You can see after that, if the next thing you need to do right now is to copy the keyword. After copying the keyword, now we are going to be using a tool. Go to your Play Store or App Store. Okay, let me go to my Play Store, App Store. Go to your Play Store or App Store and download this particular application known as Assistive Touch. This particular assistive touch is this particular touch which I'm using right now to show you this particular this pointer. This thing that I'm using as my cursor is what we are going to be using right now. You can see I already have this particular application on my phone. You can see it right there, which is what I'm using right now. After downloading this particular application, you just need to go and open it right now. Let me show you how it actually looks. Okay, you select it based on your language that it will be showing you. Okay, it will take you to this particular section. You just need to select any of this icon which you actually want to be making use of right now. I'm actually using this particular one. I just need to click on this particular section right now. Once I click on this particular section, I've activated this particular icon right now, and I can start making use of this particular icon right now to show you anything that I want to actually show you. And the second application which we are going to be downloading right now is actually a screen recorder, which we are going to be using. Okay, you need to download this AZ screen recorder. This is one of the best screen recorder which I have been using for my own screen record. You can see it right there. You want to download this particular screen recorder. You can see this particular one. You want to activate it. You can see that this screen recorder is actually active right now. Is what I'm actually using. After downloading this particular screen recorder, the next thing you need to do right now is to go on right now and visit. Since you are already aware that you are already aware of the keyword which you want to make use of. Let's say you want to review. Okay, since you want to review Amazon website, you just need to go to Amazon website right now. Search for Amazon. Okay. Once you visit this website right now, you just need to start recording the video. You can see I already activated this particular screen recorder right now, and this particular assistive touch is actually active also. All I just need to do right now is to start recording. For instance, I can start recording by saying Amazon is the most visited shopping website in the US, with millions of people buying something here every single day. But is Amazon really the best place to shop? In this video, I'm going to review the Amazon website, walk you through its features, share the pros and cons, and tell you whether it's worth your time and money. Stick around because by the end, you will know if Amazon truly the king of online shopping or if it is overrated. Immediately after recording the video, here is the most important part. What you just need to do is to go to YouTube and create a new YouTube channel. If you do not know how to create a YouTube channel, you can tell me in the comment section of this video, and I'm going to be making a new video on how to create a YouTube channel for you and post on this particular channel right here. And after creating your channel, all you just need to do is to go to CapCut and edit the video. To edit the video on CapCut, all you need to do is to open CapCut, click on New Project. Once you click on New Project, scroll down right now and click on select the video which you actually recorded. Once you choose the video which you actually recorded, the next thing you need to do right now is to come to this particular section that says aspect ratio. Click on this aspect ratio and choose 16:9, which is YouTube recommended aspect ratio. Okay, once you choose the aspect ratio, you can then go on and arrange the video the way you want it and start editing it. And start cutting the irrelevant part, and those parts that are not relevant to this particular section, you can actually go on and start deleting it. After editing the video on CapCut, go straight and upload the video on YouTube. After once you upload the video, put your title, your description. After putting your description, make sure you write a clear disclaimer on that particular, so that people will actually know that that particular video is actually a review video. Make sure that the video is actually based on your personal experience and your honest it is a honest review that you're actually making. And when making your video, you can actually keep your phone. If you are making your phone to record, you can actually keep your phone close to your mouth, or you use a small mic, or you can go on and go for a bigger mic when recording your video, so that you will have a quality audio when making your video. Next thing you need to do right now is to go to the website. You can go to Amazon website and register for Amazon affiliate. Once you register for Amazon affiliate, copy your affiliate link and input your video description, so that those that are interested in purchasing something on Amazon, or those interested in joining Amazon, can actually click on your affiliate link, or any website that you actually review. Those particular websites usually have an affiliate link. You can copy the affiliate link. If that particular website which you review actually have affiliate link, copy it and put in your video description. After putting it in your video description, you will see that a lot of people will actually going on and be registering, which is the reason why even from the day one of opening your YouTube channel, you can start actually making money from the day one of opening your YouTube channel without any single stress or without any single investment. You are not putting any money in this particular reviewing of website. You don't need to pay any money for you to be able to get started. And once you start uploading a lot of videos, and you are able to get up to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, your YouTube channel will actually get monetized. And once your YouTube channel is monetized, you can actually start earning money from Google. As someone reviewing websites on YouTube, apart from earning through Google partnership program, you can also earn through brand deals, whereby different brands will be contacting you to make a review video about their website, and you will also be able to get paid by reviewing those websites. And each website can pay you up to $100 to between $50 to $100 for reviewing a particular website on YouTube. And you need to also make sure that each website you are actually reviewing is not a scam website, to avoid YouTube being flagged that particular video or deleting that particular video. If you have any question, you are free to drop it in the comment section of this video. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video.